Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another unique and a delicious recipe. It's very cheesy, buttery, crispy and full of onion flavors. So let's get started. Take 1 tablespoon of butter in a pan. Let it melt. Now add half cup of sliced onion. Cook them on a medium flame. Keep stirring until they turn light golden. Add freshly chopped coriander. If you are enjoying this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more unique and tasty recipes like this. Mix everything well. Now we will add a salt to taste. Cook for another minute. Transfer the cooked onion to a mixer jar. Add some fried onion slice. Blend it into a slightly coarse mixture. Take your bread slice. Spread a little butter on them. Now add little amount of onion butter on the bread and bake it for 2 to 3 minutes until slightly crispy. While it's baking, we will transfer the coarse mixture to a dish. Add 2 tablespoons of softened butter and mix everything well. Once the bread is crispy, we will add that onion butter to that and spread it well. Now on the top we will add grated cheese. Bake again until the cheese melts. Top up with freshly cut coriander and onions, which is fried in slices. Now look at this crispy sound and cheesy from the inside. Every bite is absolutely delicious. Try this recipe at home and let me know your feedback in the comments. If you are enjoying this recipe, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye guys. Take care. Keep cooking. See you in my next recipe.